Want an extra layer of protection against ransomware on your Windows PC? Windows Security includes ransomware protection features designed to help protect important files and folders. In this guide, I'll show you where to find them and how to turn on controlled folder access. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Select the app from the results to open the main security dashboard. Next, select Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down until you find the section called Ransomware Protection, then select Manage Ransomware Protection. Look for Controlled Folder Access. This feature can help prevent untrusted applications from changing files in protected folders. If the switch is off, select it to turn the feature on. Once Controlled Folder Access is enabled, select Protected Folders to see which folders Windows is protecting. Important locations can be protected against unauthorized changes. So this can be especially useful for files you don't want modified by unknown applications. Sometimes, a legitimate application may be blocked from changing a protected file. If that happens, select Allow an app through Controlled Folder Access. Add the application only if you trust it and understand why it needs access. After enabling the feature, Windows Security can notify you when an application is prevented from making changes to a protected folder. If you see a notification, check the application name before allowing anything. Windows Security may also show ransomware data recovery options connected with your Microsoft account and OneDrive. These features can help with file recovery, but availability depends on your Windows and account setup. Finally, make sure Microsoft Defender and Windows are updated. Go to Virus and Threat Protection Updates and select Check for Updates. Keeping security intelligence current gives Windows the latest information for detecting threats. And that's how to turn on ransomware protection in Windows Security. Controlled folder access can add another layer of protection for important files. Just remember to allow only applications you completely trust.